This one might be either really interesting or really boring. It's a dryer sheet. I'm thinking the interesting side. If I can get it to stay still, because it keeps sticking to everything. Wrong way, this way. Oh, that is cool. Looks like a spider web almost. Yeah, you can definitely see that it's, sorry. I just kinda, I'm congested because I'm allergies and I can't. You know, some people would say, oh, wait until you're feeling better. I won't be feeling better for a couple months. So anyway, yeah, it's kind of interesting. It shows that it's, definitely, the reason you can see through it so easily is because it's kind of like a spider web with a lot of holes in there. It's not really transparent, it's just, it's not solid. Like, you can, whoa. You can see various different spots on it. I'm not sure if that's the, just stuff that got caught in it, or if that's, whatever the heck makes it smell like that, because it definitely has a strong smell. Not a bad one, but it definitely has a strong smell. I just don't know how they do that when, the entire thing is just this. You know? Kind of looks like that covering on that cricket that I caught a while back. Well, it didn't have the covering on it when it died, but the cricket died. I put it in a jar, and then it proceeded to get covered in a white, like, spider web thing. Okay, that was unexpected to say the least. Like, extremely unexpected to say the least. Anyway, sorry, it was just heard noise and it just caught me off guard by a lot. Huh. Anyway, so yeah, definitely, you can see a lot caught in there. I'm not just sure if that's because I stuck it in a box with the other microscope stuff, or if or if it is normally like that. What I want to do at some point is get a dryer sheet directly out of the box, and then see if that's the same way. But I can't do that yet, so I'm gonna have to stick to this, which is just a whole bunch of speculation at this point. Let's move it a bit. Because, yeah, this is kind of not even a hypothesis, because I have no information to back it, and I have no side on it. I don't know which one it is. I don't have any idea, so it's kind of like, I'm just, thinking out loud right now to, basically try to decide which, of them is correct. You know? Because, yeah. Definitely, lot of debris in there. Definitely a lot of debris. Yeah. See, like right here. Right there. How about that? That, I'm not sure what that, darn it. Hey, look at that blue one right there. Darn it. It's really hard to... See, look, okay, see, blue spot right there. Ah, darn it. I had to get back in focus. Okay. See, those, I'm leaning towards them being, what's called, just random debris it caught, because that just looks like the kind of strings I've found on other stuff inside the, or other stuff under the microscope. Seems kind of, yeah, don't know the term. But you get what I'm saying, right? Anyway, but yeah, this is a dryer sheet. Wait, give me a second. So the next two are going to be a chunk of foam and a, don't know what the term is for that. It's like a, it's those metal caps that you see on glass bottles of soda. Because I got one on a Coca-Cola bottle, like an actual, like, one of these real sugar. But here's the foam thing. Well, that's not what I was expecting. Not in the least. Let's try the other side. Yeah, what the heck? I was expecting like something covered in holes, not something with like a clover design on it, like a four-leaf clover design. Yeah, that was a bit unexpected, to say the least. Yeah, what the heck? What is this? What's going on? Let me look at it normally, and I'll describe what the heck. Okay. Oh yeah, it doesn't look like there are no holes in it. Weird. I guess it's a different kind of foam. 'Cause here's the other side. Let me get this in focus. And yeah, it just kind of takes on a pattern. It's really hard to get it in focus because it's a very, well, again, it's not a very flat object. It's just kind of, it moves, it's highly variable in the Y area, in the Y dimension. Because, yeah, Y is up generally. Although, depending on how you turn it, any direction could be up. Because, yeah, like, if you have only X and Y, then Y would be forward. Well, again, you could turn it, but generally Y would be forward. You had Z, then Y becomes up. Z becomes forward, and X just stays sideways. Why am I talking about what the variables mean? But yes, it froze. It froze. It froze. Great. Nope, didn't quite. It froze. It's lagging like heck. Yep, it froze. Yeah, there we go. It's back. It's back. So yeah, it almost looks like. I mean, again, this isn't accurate because. Okay, actually, it almost looks like you took bubble wrap and then popped it, and you were looking at it with your own eyes, not through the microscope. Because through the microscope, bubble wrap is boring. But through your own eyes, bubble wrap's pretty interesting. But bubble wrap, like if you popped it, looks kind of like that. Well, anyway, let's move on to the bottle cap thing. So here's the inside. Pretty boring. I'm pretty sure it's aluminum. Yeah, like the currency in Fallout. Well, all of them. Not the Sunset Sarsaparilla ones, though. But yeah, this is the inside. It's pretty. Now if I go over here, if I can get this in focus. Oh, that's cool. I like seeing the metal in different colors. Why is it in focus? Is this really that? Huh. The field of view is very low. Oh, sorry. I don't know if you can see my mouse. Sorry about that. Or is it the field of view, or is it or is it something else? Pretty sure it's the FOV. That's pretty low because it can go out of focus real easy. Really, really easy. Darn it. Okay. Let's go over to the side. Flip it over and take a look at these. Okay. Not what I expected. I didn't realize there was a gap between each of the bumps. I mean, if you can see it normally, but I thought it was just bump, then bump, then bump. It was kind of like a. If you ever see a seismometer, I thought it looked like that. Not. Well, I mean, seismometers do have certain lines occasionally, but they generally are just like scratch, 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 up and down, up and down, up and down. Didn't think it would have like. Yeah, I didn't think it would have a difference, like a what's the term, like a bar between them. So it would just be just the sections where it's stuck out would be connected to each other directly. Huh. Seems to be something yellow on there, but I can't quite get it. Is that just like, what is that? I don't know, I can't see it normally, but what is that? If you have any idea what this yellow, whatever the heck it is, on the side of this might be, please post it in the comments, because I would like to know. And, yeah. do like the fact that it isn't perfect, because if it was perfect, it'd be kind of boring. But you can see the red kind of overlapping a little bit. Can you see that normally? No. But yeah, I actually have to go to the bathroom. So, yeah, this has been bottle cap, piece of foam, and that's all I remember off the top of my head.